What if richer meant more than money? What if it meant energy that works smarter, so that life works better? In a world that depends on constant power, the demand keeps rising. But resources aren't unlimited, and instability has a cost. Energy efficiency isn't about doing less. It's about doing more with wisdom. It's about designing systems that waste less, distribute smarter, protect our infrastructure, and extend the life of what communities rely on. Now that's richer. When energy systems are resilient, businesses operate, cities function, and families feel secure. Efficiency protects what people depend on. At Phoenix Contact, we design the technology that makes energy systems smarter and more sustainable. Not just for today, but for the future. And that makes life richer. So what if richer meant protecting tomorrow? Together, we create a richer and sustainable world for future generations.